PHC.
A group of youth from Bhoi district operating under the Fish Farmers Producers Cooperative Society Limited (FFPO) is set to stimulate employment opportunities through the fish farming industry in the state. Registered on July 30th, 2023, the group aims to advance fish farming to meet the state's needs. It has garnered support from the National Cooperative Development Corporation (NCDC) for its initiatives.
Ya kan ka FFPO ha short form ngila banong FFPO ngila register ya ka ha unus snem maladep lai tarik Januari arjar apply apo ka registrar cooperative society office nongpo kan ne ka FFPO lani ka organization jongi ka lawan lengbana ka NCDC ka National Cooperative Development Corporation ha ka ba lengba kanir NCDC ngelayo ru kajing itu nda ka sorkar ka jongi lengbana ka office jong ka fishery department.
A major landslide occurred on Wednesday